Start and check the status network. Start and check status for HTTPD. Configure IP address in endpost 3 and endpost 8 by your own preferences. As you can see, in endpost 3 and endpost 8, the IP network is already changing towards our preferences. After that, configure firewall and include HTTP and HTTPS services in both private and public zone. Reload firewall and verify configuration. Configure the port forwarding configuration file. Last but not least, check the output for the firewall configuration.
For this web server section, we will walk through the process of setting up and configuring a web server, managing network settings, and accessing a database. Let's begin by starting and enabling the network service. Run the following commands. Next, start and enable the HTTP server Apache with these commands. Check the current firewall configuration. To verify your network interface settings, use the command ifconfig. So for the mPOS 3 and mPOS 8, set the IP network, subnet mask and broadcast to our own preference. Ensure the firewall allows HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Once configured, restart services to apply changes. Finally, test connectivity by pinging the firewall's IP address.
Okay, this is for database. Okay, first we should start the Apache web server service and then display the current status of the Apache service to ensure it is running correctly. Start the Maria and display the status of MariaDB database. To select into the MariaDB database, is log into the MariaDB server as the root user, and you will be prompted to enter the password. Select the database name carpark. which is already created for further operation. Then execute a query to fetch all the data from the table car detail within the car park database. And then display the privilege assigned to the current database user. Use the command show grant. And then you can exit the Maria database. So configuring firewall. Display the current firewall setting, including allow service and path using this command. And open the network configuration file for the interface and post using the VIM editor. This is where you may configure network settings such as IP address, you can check the HTTPD to ensure the firewall allows to HTTP. And also ensure the firewall allows the HTTPS traffic. So you can restart the Apache service to apply any change made. So in this command, restart the network service to apply change made in the network configuration file. So reload the firewall to apply the new rules. And you can test the connectivity by using ping 192.168.2030. Test the connectivity to the web server with the IP address. If the ping is successful, the server is reachable. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Now, navigate to the root directory of WebServer where application files are stored. List the contents of this directory to view the PHP files you have created. Our group has developed a simple car parking application that includes the following files. Edit the files by running VIM. In the addcar.php file, add the following content like host IP, user, password, and database, and then save and exit. For the display.php file, the same thing happened in this file with the previous one. To enable HTTPD network capabilities, verify the Linux settings using getSebul command. Make sure the ConnectDB is on. Restart the HTTPD and network and reload the firewall. To connect the database server from the web server, use the following command and enter the database IP address. Once connected, access the CarPark database by entering use CarPark. To view the car details table, execute the following command. And then when finished, type exit to close the database connection. To test the car parking application, open the addcar.php file in browser. Use Mozilla Firefox to access the following URL. Type WebServer IP address /addcar.php. As you can see, the web app for addcar details will be shown. Click View All Cars to see what we have added. And you can see the car details that you added before. From the host PC, open Google Chrome and type firewall mpost3 IP address /addcar.php. You can see the web app same as at the web server and enter the car details. After that, click View All Car and then all the car details that we add will be shown.